Saturday morning. Colleen Beach.
So, burgers, exact 10 a.m. Lahat ng grilled, exact 11 a.m. no? So, not available pa siya, okay? Okay.
We're here.
Ito naman pinicture ko na.
Merong bagnet si Nog. Surf. Kaya po.
Ito ba yung kutsara tingin ko? Get one.
Masayahin sila sa umaga.
Beshi, what sauce do you want?
Ito yung coffee nila.
Oo.
Is it good? Siyempre, hindi pa ito na-try, no?
Sabi ko po get one.
True. Very true.